Okay, welcome to 8.5. This is the model and discuss. You can try this on your own if you want, or you can just jump right in with me. A search and rescue team is having a nighttime practice drill. 2 members of the team are in a helicopter that is hovering at 2,000 feet above the ground level. Part A, the team first tries to locate object A. At what angle from the horizontal line, even with the helicopter, should they position the spotlight so that it shines on object A? So first of all, we need to know that we are up here in this helicopter. So this is where we are, up here in the helicopter. And we're looking down, and that makes this our hypotenuse. We're using this triangle right here. And the right angle right there. So we have our hypotenuse there, and that makes this our adjacent and this our opposite side. So if we remember our hints of SOHCAHTOA, we can look to see what parts of the information that we have. And in this case, we have the adjacent and the opposite information. So the opposite over adjacent will be tangent. So we're going to call this angle up here where the guy is, we call that x. We're going to be able to find the tangent of x, and that's going to equal the opposite, which is 3,200 feet, over the adjacent, which is 2,000. Now remember, this is where, in order to solve, we would take the inverse tangent of both sides. And that leaves us with the inverse tangent of the 3,200 over 2,000. And we're just going to punch that into our calculator. And that is going to equal about 57.99. So 57.99 is really close to about 58 degrees. And that should be the angle that they set that up for. Next, they shine the light on object B. How does the angle of the spotlight from the horizontal line change? Well, instead of looking at A, we're going to look at B. And so B is only going to be the 1,800. So let's go ahead and use the tangent of x and the 1,800 is the opposite over the adjacent, which is 2,000. And we're going to have the inverse taking the inverse tangent from both sides. We have that x equals the inverse tangent or arctangent of 1,800 over 2,000. And that comes out to be about 41.98, or we can round that to about 42 degrees. So how did it change as we moved it back? Well, it became, of course, a smaller angle. In general, how does the angle of the spotlight from the horizontal change as the light moves from object A to B or from object A to C? Well, that angle from the helicopter will get smaller as it moves from A toward B, and it will get larger as it moves from A to C. The angle will decrease as it moves toward B and increase as it moves towards C.